Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to buy crypto with Revolut Pay on Binance. First thing first, open the Binance app, then tap Add Funds, then Buy with Euro. You can switch currencies with the top right button. Alternatively, go to Assets, then Buy. If you haven't completed identity verification, you'll be prompted to do so. Just tap Start Now and follow the instructions. After that, under Buy, select the crypto you want to purchase, and under Pay With, select Revolut Pay. Now type the amount you want to buy, then tap Preview Order. Review your order details carefully, then tap Confirm. If you have the Revolut app installed, you'll be redirected to Revolut. Just tap Pay and log in and check the order details. Tap Continue to pay and confirm the payment via SMS verification, and you'll be then redirected back to Binance. Binance will process the order. You'll get a confirmation once it's complete. Now check your wallet. Tap View Spot Wallet in Binance to see the purchased crypto. Just a tip, make sure your Revolut account has enough balance and supports Euro or your selected currency before starting the purchase. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.